Come look at Daddy.
Go back and at night in my bed. Could you do that?
Mm-hmm.
Please, I have to pee-pee.
You have to pee-pee?
Mm-hmm.
Look at me and say, I have to pee-pee.
I have to pee-pee.
Say, I have to poopy.
I have to not pee-pee.
Where's your brain?
Inside my neck.
Where's your knowledge?
Inside my brain.
Where's your creativity?
Mommy.
Remember, your creativity is part of your knowledge in your brain, in your head. Say, I love you.
I love you too.
Hey, Andy. Hey, Candyman. Hey, Andy boy. Andy. Andy. Hey, buddy. Bye.